G'day, it's Mario here from the Horsepower Factory with another fantastic product for owners of the new 3-litre diesel Isuzu D-Max and the equivalent Mazda BT50. Now, as you know, we already do a common rail diesel tune on these, which is gaining you around about 20 to 25% in power and torque. But what we've got on the market now, after months and months of development, we are now releasing a transmission tune for these. What's that going to do? It's going to get you better fuel economy and much better drivability. So let's jump in the car with Marty to tell us all about it. So Marty, what are we actually doing with this Isuzu D-Max?
So in this car, what we're going to do is reprogram the transmission control module. A lot of people complain about the transmission shift points on these D-Maxes and the BT50s, that when you take off with sort of low to medium throttle, that they hang on gears too long. They sort of rev too high between gears. And when you're cruising along at speed, whether it be 80 or 100 kilometres an hour, as soon as you come to a bit of an incline, a bit of a hill, and you try and just maintain speed, the converter will kick down or it'll drop down a gear where it can easily hold the converter locked and just go up and over the hill without having to do that. It'll improve fuel economy and it makes it a nicer thing to drive.
So that's cruise control on now?
Cruise control on, 80 kilometres an hour set at. As soon as we've got a bit of a hill, it's just kicked out.
Wow.
It's locked up. We're going to come to the next hill.
Yeah, there it goes again. As soon as we hit a little bit of a hill.
I'll go a bit more, I'll go 40% throttle.
So now that we're back from our initial road test with this car, we'll now remove the transmission control unit, or TCU, and we'll connect it to our computer so that we can load the software for our in-house developed custom transmission tune. We'll then refit the TCU and do a road test to validate the upgrade.
Let's do it in 40% throttle. Up a hill with the modified module, modified calibration.
Yeah, just stays in the
locked.
gear.
Yep.
Yeah, that's so cool.
We've got 2 cars at work. I've got one that I drive as a daily, and Daniel's got his D-Max that he drives as a daily. And between the two of us over the last couple of months, we've been making plenty of revisions where, you know, each day me and Daniel would get together and say, what do you think of that calibration? We'd say, oh, I found that, you know, it was better here and it was a little bit worse there, and we'd sort of kept on making changes each day until now we're at a point where we're really happy with it. The car drives really good, and I think it's a good improvement to any one of these BT50s or D-Maxes.
So there you go, an absolutely fantastic, simple little tune that will totally transform this vehicle. Now, if you'd like to know more about how you can get this done, give us a call on 1-800-GO-FAST or send us an email at sales@hp-f.com.au.